Hey, Charlie, what you got going on over there? Mind if I take a look? Can I take a look? Check out your new gun. Yay! Ooh, look at that. Yep, that's 357 and 38 special. Alright guys, so I am going to shoot this here target. We're gonna first try with the number 1 distance, self-defense. I do it a little further, which is at the end of that wall. There we go. So today we're going to try my Chiappa Rhino, which I got 2 rounds. So basically I got 1 of each. So I got 1 357 and 1 38 special. So here we go. All right. All right, let's see how we did. So that was 6 rounds. So yeah, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Not bad. All right, and that was the Chiappa Rhino, and this is how it's shot. So like I said, I did it with the 357 and 38 for the purpose of basically training myself to not really pay attention to the recoil. So I'm like in my head thinking like, oh, it's going to be 38 special. But here's the thing, it doesn't really matter because with the Chiappa Rhino, the recoil is so minimized, so you barely even feel it. Like I said, it kind of feels like shooting a 9mm, like something like my Glock 19. That's kind of what it feels like, you know, when you shoot it, like even at the 357 Magnum, it's so super smooth. I love the Rhino. Ole! So here I am. I'm about to try the second distance, which is, you remember, the first one was the first green line. Now, as you see, the target is right there by the second line. So let's see how we do. Oh, and yes, I'm going to do the same thing as I did last time, which is I'm gonna put 3 rounds of 357 Magnum and 3 rounds of 38 special. Yep. So I'm doing like 1 of each. So 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1. Oh, there we go. So, yep, there we go. Put these guys on the side. Let's rock and roll. So, here we go. Alright guys, so again, I'm going to shoot at the second line of distance at the range. And, oh yeah, what I'm aiming is, I'm aiming right at the bad guy's gun. So I'm going to aim right at his gun and see how many of the 6 rounds I could get right on his gun. Let's kick his gun's ass. Yeah, buddy. Beating up the guy's gun. Oh yeah. Ready? Let's go. Alright. Do this 2-handed and then 1-handed after. So, alright, let's see how we did. See, that was, again, dude, the recoil is so minimal on this Chiappa Rhino. So let's check this out. So my aim again was at the guy's gun, and as you can see, look at that. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the grouping is not bad. My aim was right here. So I guess this one is a little far, but still, the grouping is still within, you know, 5 fingers with that. Yeah. So 5-finger distance from there to there. Not bad, not bad. Pretty accurate. I love this Rhino, so now I'm going to do it with one hand. But this time I'm going to aim right at the crotch. Right there. As a matter of fact, let's do an X. So I'm going to throw an X right at the crotch. So X marks the spot, hitting the guy in the crotch. Ouch! Same distance, but with one hand. This time. A little further back. Alright, so again, I'm going to do the same thing. So let's load this guy up the same way. So I'm going to do 357, 38 special, 357, 38 special, 357, and 38 special. It's kind of like that, she loves me not, but 357 or 38 special. She loves me not. Yeah, haha. Anywho, let's shoot the shit. Put this shit away, and again, we're at the second distance round, and I'm shooting right at the guy's crotch area. Ouch, man, that's mean. So let's blow this guy's dick up and see what happens. There you go, guys. Again, this is one-handed action satisfaction. Shooting at crotch. Ouch. All right. Crotch shot. All right, that was 6. All right, let's see what happened with the guy's crotch. Let's see what happened with the guy's crotch. Did he lose it? Uh-oh, it looks like he did. Again, guys, look at the awesome accuracy. And again, it was 357 and 338 specials from the second distance, one-handed. So, look at that. We got, I don't know the order, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, that X marks the spot. That was the target. Everything looks really good. Look at the distance. The furthest distance is that guy to that guy, which is about that, my hand. Look, 4 fingers, not bad at all. So, again, as you can tell, the 357s are the little bigger holes. 357, 357, 357, 38 special, 38 special, 38 special. Not bad, dude. Poor guy lost his crotch. So, good accuracy from the Chiappa Rhino. I love my birthday gun. Alright, guys. So, again, I'm going to do the same thing, but this time we're going to go from the number 3 distance. So, we're going to do the same thing as before. Remember that. We're going to do 3 of the 357s and 3 of the 38 specials. in the Chiappa Rhino. From now we're gonna go the further distance. First we did the first distance, the second distance. Now we're gonna go to the third distance. All right, third distance, and my aim is right here. So I'm gonna shoot him right at the top of his hoodie pocket. The hoodie pocket, that's where he's gonna get it. And we're gonna do, again. Oops, sorry. We're gonna do again the same, mix and match. So 357, 38 special, 357, 38 special, 357, 38 special. And again, in case you were wondering what kind of ammos I'm using, these guys. This one is 357. This one is 38 special. 3 and 3. Put that on the side, and let's get rocking and rolling. So, here we go again, guys. It's, as you can see, the lines 1, 2, 3 at the third distance, fourth being all the way at the end of the range. So I am 3/4 of the way. Do this 6 shots, 2-handed, right on the top of the hoodie center, like right, right in the belly. So if I shoot the guy's belly, it's gonna suck for him eating, drinking, all that good shit. So let's rock and roll. Yeah, up the Punx with Gunz. All right, here we go. That was 8. 7. Fun. Alright, bring this target and see what. Oh, that one did not look too accurate. Let's see what happens. Uh-oh. At this distance, ooh, a little bit. Alright. Not as accurate. So, again, 6 shots from the third line. So, again, my target was right here. The top of the hoodie. Right there. So, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm trying to see where the 6th bullet went. Oh, there it is. All right, so I did have, so the distance again, furthest distance here to there, that would be the furthest. So that would be, let's say, I should bring a ruler next time, but 4 fingers, and then another 3 fingers, 4, 5, 6. So 6 fingers distance from here to there. I did have this one kind of far. Other than that, this would have been a cool group, but it's okay. Not bad. I'm still satisfied. I think it's good. So here's the thing. As you can see, I only got 3 rounds of each. So we're going to do this one last time. One again, just so you can see better. I took the liberty to kind of write down where we were. So again, my next one is going to be from the second distance. This one is going to be with one hand right there. As you can see, this one was the number 2 distance, 2-handed. Up here is going to be 1-handed from the same distance as this guy. All right. All right, guys, again, as you can see, the second distance, I'm going to shoot the guy right in the zipper, which will be around right here on him. And this time it's going to be 1-handed from the same distance. Oops, a little further. Alright, I was like 5 inches too close, so haha, no cheating. Alright, let's do this. 1-handed this time, baby. Yeah. looks. Here he comes, walking down the street. Whoop! All right. So, here we go. Okay, so this was again one-handed. So we got 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. 4, 5. Oh no, I got these went way too far. One-handed. So I got, this is a decent group. Right there, the 3. 1, 2. Yeah, 1, 2, and 3. However, we got regular way over here. Distance, farthest distance from this bullet, which is 1 two hands, finger. Again, I got to bring a ruler, but from this distance to that distance, yeah. Hey again, guys. So here is a quick correction. Before, I didn't notice till after I saw the video that there was one missing bullet. So again, this was the last one from the second distance, which was 6 shots. So here we go. Here we go. The 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the missing one was this one, which again, I didn't notice till after rewatching the video in comparison, because I initially did not notice that. I thought that was one of the other, other rounds, but no, there it is. There's the 6th missing bullet. So not as accurate with one-handed from the second distance, but it was still enough that if it was a case of self-defense, yeah, I would have still hit the human. I would have not gone past them and hit the innocent bystanders behind the guy. So it's still not bad. Not bad at all. And on that note, that's it for the Rhino, because I'm out of ammo for that. But yeah, love you guys. Cheers till next time. Ole. All right, Charlie Cat, what have we got here? Three moon rings and the tool to remove the ammo from them. This is a little tool for adjusting the sights, I assume. Yes, I'm assuming for adjusting the sights. And then the key for the lock. That goes there. That's nice, isn't it? Very cool gun.
I couldn't stand their attitude for another day. They were trying to synchronize me, so I threw them away. My daddy was a bitch, screwed around with my dog and cat. My mommy satisfied in this with a bag of urine. I kinda like my sister's friends, keep fresh.
More cool stuff. Bam.